It's Choices Wednesday, and so today I'm posting one video to help you log into IXL. There's a lot of really good stuff on here, however, it's not all that user-friendly, so I want to make sure that you get logged in and don't have any struggles with that, so that you can see the activity that I have posted for you. So I do have here on the website some login information, some guidelines for you. We do have a default classroom password, ear84. All right, so make sure your username is your first name and your last name with the numbers 484 that follow. I gave an example for you. If you are a student that has two last names, you will need to include both. If your last name is hyphenated, include both parts, but no hyphens. There are no spaces, nothing, it's just all one set of words mashed together. And then highlighting the directions here, once you've logged in, we're going to search for activity 4J2. I'll show you how to find that two ways, and then you'll be all set, ready to go. So when you go to IXL.com, at the top is where you are going to enter your username and password. Remember, first name, last name, 484, and then ear84 is your password. That's a default for our class. So once you sign in, no, I don't want it to save that password. This is the landing page for you. Up here at the top, search topics and skills. Remember, I said it was class code 4J2. I'm sorry, task code 4J2. Two options show up because they're kind of related. You are an 8th grader, so I want you to select the 8th grade task there. It will direct you immediately to what it is that I'm asking you to complete for today. There is a second way that you can look at recommended tasks. So I've gone in and I have recommended for you some skills that you can work on. Some of these will show up in the future. You are welcome to work on any of them at any time. But the ones that I have clicked and recommended for all of you show up as yellow with stars. So some of the stuff that you see clumped together here towards the bottom of your screen, these are things that are coming in the future. So these will be a part of assignments that are coming up. As for this units and measurement, this is one that you can do at any time, as well as the one up here with lab tools. If you don't do those on your own, do understand that those ones will come up in the future, because some of you are still struggling with identifying lab tools, knowing the difference between a beaker and a graduated cylinder. And some of you are still struggling with units of measurement, knowing the base units for mass, for volume, okay? So these are for your benefit. And then it'll also go through some of these abbreviations that a lot of you still need some work on, knowing what they mean, what the parts mean, meters, liters, and grams, and then understanding that a centimeter is just a smaller part of a meter, so on. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on that. These are your optionals for now if you want to get in here and work some more. Anything that is not highlighted, be my guest. Okay, this is absolutely open for review and learning opportunities for you. Okay, so you know my office hours. Let me know if you need some help, get stuck getting logged into IXL, and good luck.